find one of real numbers. First question is example 1. That is, what is the question? Show that every positive even integer is of the form 2q and that every positive odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1 where q is some integer. What is the question? Every positive even integer is in the form of 2q and odd integer is in the form of 2q plus 1 we have to prove. For that I am using the Euclid division algorithm. So what is the Euclid division algorithm? Let a be any positive integer. By Euclid division algorithm a is equal to bq plus r where 0 less than or equal to r less than b. Here we have to prove in the form of 2q plus 1. So b is equal to 2. b is equal to 2. What is our value? 0 less than or equal to r less than b. What is the b value? 2. So r value is 0 less than or equal to r less than 2, 0 and 1 because it is less than 2. Therefore r is equal to 1 comma 2. Sorry, 0 comma 1. R is equal to what? Therefore r is equal to 0 and 1. Okay, b is equal to this, r is equal to 0 and 1. Now substitute in the formula a is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to bq, b value is 2q plus r is equal to 0. Nothing but what? It is 2q. Next, if r is equal to here, if r is equal to 0. Next, if r is equal to 1, if r is equal to 1, what is the value? 2q plus 1. bq plus r, b means 2q plus r is equal to what here? 1, 2q plus 1. R is equal to 0 completed, r is equal to 1 completed. See, we got here 2q and 2q plus 1. Now what we have to prove? It is in the form of odd number and even number. What is odd number and even number? Even number nothing but a number which is exactly divisible by 2. If the remainder is 0, when a number is divided by 2, if the remainder is 0, that is called as even number. When you divide it by 2, if the remainder is 1, that is called as odd number. Now in this 2q and 2q plus 1, here 2q remainder is 0. So it is an even number. Here 2q plus 1. Remainder is what here? Remainder is 1. Remainder 0 means it is even integer. Remainder 1 it is odd integer. So even integer it is in the form of 2q or not. So the question, positive integer in the form of, even integer in the form of 2q and odd number is in the form of 2q plus 1. Therefore, every positive even integer is in the form of 2q. Is in the form of 2q and every positive odd integer is in the form of 2q plus 1. Okay, here p is equal to, so r is equal to 0 and 1. When you got 2q, 1 is 0, you got 2q plus 1, here remainder 0, that's why it is an even integer. It is remainder is 1, that's why it is odd integer. So we proved here every positive even integer in the form of 2q and every positive odd integer is in the form of 2q plus 1. This is example 1. Now this is example 2 question. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3 where q is some integer. So now let a be any positive integer, by using Euclid division algorithm. What is the Euclid division algorithm? A is equal to bq plus r, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. This is the Euclid division algorithm. Here we have to prove odd number is in the form of 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. So what is the b value here? B is equal to 4. So b is equal to 4. What is the r values? 0 less than or equal to or less than b. So if b is equal to 4, what are the r values? R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. If b is equal to 4, then r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Now, if r is equal to 0, then what is a value here? A is equal to bq plus r. B is what it is? 4q plus r. Substitute this BQ plus R. 4Q plus R value is 1. So it is 4Q plus 1. Next, if R is equal to 2, then A is equal to 4Q plus 2. Next, last one, R is equal to 3. If R is equal to 3, then A is equal to 4Q plus 2. R value is 0, 1, 2, 3. We have 4 cases. In 4 cases, what we got? A value 4Q, 4Q plus 1, 4Q plus 2, and 4Q plus 3. Now, what is the question? Show that any positive odd integer is the form 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3 odd integer. What is odd number and even number? When it is exactly divisible by 2, it is even number. When the remainder is 1, it is odd number. When you divide it. So here 4Q is it divisible by 2? So it is an even. 4Q plus 1, the remainder is 1. So it is odd number. And 4Q plus 2. 4Q plus 2 means it will be divisible by 2. And this 4Q plus 3. 4Q plus 3 is not divisible by 2. Remainder will get 1. So which are even? 4Q and 4Q plus 2 are even. 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus are odd. So here you can write that 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3. 4Q plus 3 are not divisible by 2. See, this 4Q we can divisible. This 4Q plus 2 also divisible. So 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3 are not divisible by 2. Therefore, what can you write here? Any positive odd integer in the form of 4Q plus 1 or 4Q plus 3. Write that. Therefore, any positive odd integer, any positive odd integer is of the form 4Q plus 1 or 4Q plus 2. We got 4 cases here: 4Q, 4Q plus 1, 4Q plus 2, and 4Q plus 3. This 4Q and 4Q plus 2 are divisible by 2. They are the even integers. This 4Q plus 1 and 4Q plus 3 are not divisible by 2. They are odd integers. Therefore, any positive odd integer is of the form 4Q plus 1 or 4Q plus 3. Next, exercise 1.1 in the first bit. What is the first bit? Use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF. Already we discussed how to find the HCF by using Euclid division algorithm or Euclid division lemma. First question is 900 and 270. So when you do this 900 and 270 by using Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division algorithm. By using Euclid's division algorithm, what is the formula? A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to or less than B. This is the Euclid division lemma. Now we have to find the HCF of two numbers. Given that 900 and 270, in the two numbers, one number you have to take as A. Which number? The greater number you have to consider as A, and the smaller number you have to consider as B. So what is the greater number here? 900. So A is equal to 900 and B is equal to 270. A is equal to 900 and B is equal to 270. Greater number take as a dividend and the smaller number take as divisor. A is equal to 900, B is equal to 270. Now how can you do it? It is a step-by-step process. How can you do? First, I am doing normal division method. 270 with 900. 270 3s are 70. 27 3s are 81. 810. So how much it is? 9090. Next it is 270. 90 3s are 270. 0. So what is HCF of 90? But that is which method? That is division method. But you have to use the Euclid's division algorithm. How can you do by using Euclid division algorithm? It is a step-by-step process. You have to use the Euclid division lemma. Now what is the lemma formula? A is equal to BQ plus R in this step 1. So step 1, A is equal to, A is what? 900. 900 is equal to BQ plus R. B value is what? We have 270 into process. So dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. 900 is equal to 270 into 3 plus 90. 270 into 3 plus 90. Next, step 2. In step 2 is what here? This is the step 2. 270 is equal 90 into 3 plus 0. This dividend you have to take as, this divisor take as dividend. 270 is equal to, this remainder take as new divisor, 90 into 93 is 270 plus remainder 0. When the remainder 0, we have to stop the division. Here remainder is 0, so we have to stop the division. Now what is SCF? B value is the SCF. What is the B value? A is equal to BQ plus R. So what is the B value here? 90. So therefore here B is equal to 90. Therefore HCF is equal to also 90. What is HCF? 90. Is it clear? It is a step-by-step process. First, in two numbers, take the greater number as dividend A, smaller number as divisor. So 900 is equal to 270 into 3 plus 90. 270 equal 90 into 3 plus 0. The B value is 90, so HCF is equal to 90. So the second question in the first day, it is 196 and 38,220. Find the HCF of these two numbers by using Euclid division algorithm. By using Euclid division algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Now, what is A value here? First one is not A value. Okay, sometimes you may think A comma B are integers. First one is not A value, second one is not B value. The larger number is A value and the smaller number is B value. So in this, what is the larger value? This one. So A is equal to 38,220 and the smaller number 196, that is B value is 196. Now step 1, how can you write A is equal to BQ? A is equal to 38,220 is equal to 196 into 196 is how much it is? So I am doing here 196 with 38,220. So first it is 1 the 2 means it more. So 196 1 the 196. 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. And it is 7. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 it is 8. So it is 2. 2 minus 1 it is 1. So next number what here? 2. Still it is not completed. So you have to write this total you have to complete. Again it is how much? 9 are 9 6 are 42, 4 remaining. 9 6 are 54, 5 remaining. 9 9s are 81 plus 5 86, left remaining. 9 1s are 9 plus 8 17. So here 12 minus 4 it is 8 and 50 minus 6 is 9. How much it is? 98. Next one is 0 is there. So 196, how much it is? 5. 5 6 are 30, 3 remaining. 5 9s are 45, 48, 4 remaining. And 5 1s are 5, 9. So here how much it is? 196 into 195 is giving the 58,220. So only one step, step 1, 196 into how much it is? 195. 196 into 195, 38,220. So here remainder is what? Plus 0. So in first step only you got the remainder 0. With the remainder 0, we have to start the division process. Now in this, what is the B value here? BQ plus R. B value is equal to 196. Therefore, HCF is equal to how much it is? 196. B value 196. SCF value is the B value. So SCF also how much it is? 196. So this is the third question. The question is 1651 and 2032. So by using Euclid division lemma, A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Now A is equal to bigger value is 2032 and smaller value B is equal to 1651. Now do the division method. 1651 and 2032. 1651 was 1651. So it is 1. This 30 minus 5 is 8. Next is what? 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 6 it is 3. 381. Next 1651. Next 4 ones are 4. 4 8s are 32. 3 remaining. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 15. Next it is 11 minus 4 7. 4 minus 2 2. 6 minus 5 1. Next it is 381. How much are 12 3s are 36. 3 7s are 21. 2 remaining. 2 6 plus 3 8. 2 are So this is a division process, but we have to use the Euclid division. Step 1. What is step 1? Here A is equal to, A is what? 2032 is equal to BQ plus R. 1651 into how much that is? 651 into 1 plus remainder is how much? 381. Next step 2. From that you can write steps. Second step what? 1651. This divisor as dividend. 1651 is equal remainder 381 into 4 plus 127. Step 3. Step 3. What is the step 3? This is the step 3. 381 is equal to 127 into 3. 127 into 3 plus remainder 0. Now remainder is 0. So we have to stop the division. B value is SCF. What is the B value here? 127. B is equal to 127. Therefore HCF is equal to 127. In the exam you have to write only this, but don't write this one because okay, it has to be used. Okay, to write easily we use that one, but in the exam you have to write only this one. Understand? A is equal to BQ plus R. Take the bigger value is A and smaller value as B value and substitute in the formula. When the remainder is 0, you have to stop the division. The last B value is our required HCF. This is the second question in exercise 1.1. Use Euclid division lemma to show that any positive odd integer is in the form of 62 plus 1 or 62 plus 3 or 62 plus 5 where q is some integers. Already we discussed in example 1 and example 2. One is 2q plus 1, 4q plus 1, that one. But here it is 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2 and 6q plus 5. Every odd integer in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 you have to prove. So let A be any positive integer. By using Euclid division algorithm, it is the formula A is equal to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equal to R less than B. So what is the B value here? B is equal to 6. Therefore R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The B is equal to 6 or start from 0 up to less than 6. So less than 6 means up to 5. Now if R is equal to 0, so what is A value? A is equal to 6q plus 0. Nothing but what is 6q. Next if R is equal to 1, then A is equal to 6q plus 1. Next if R is equal to 2, if R is equal to 2, A is equal to 6q plus 2. If R is equal to 3, then A is equal to 6q plus 3. If R is equal to 4, then A is equal to 6q plus 4. Last if R is equal to 5, then A is equal to 6q plus 5. R is equal to B is equal to 6 or equal to 0 to 5. So substitute 0 to 5, you get A value 6q plus 1, 6q plus 2, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 4 and 6q plus 5. You have to prove what are the indices, what are the even numbers or odd numbers. See this 6q is divisible by 2, so it is even number. 6q plus 1 remainder and it is odd number. See it is a even number, it is odd. See it is stream is, if you divide it to again 1 you will get the remainder. This 6q plus 4 is even, 6q plus 5 odd. So what odd numbers are what? 6q plus 1 odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. Here you can write, here I am writing solution. Here 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are not divisible by 2. These three are not divisible by 2. Therefore, what are the answers? Therefore, any positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Okay, these are not divisible. 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5 are not divisible. That's why every positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. This is question number